Everything gonna be all right this morning. Oh, yeah. Woo! Yeah. Now, when I was a young boy, at the age of 5, my mother said I was gonna be the greatest man alive. But now I'm a man, way past 21. When I make love to a woman, she can't resist. I want you to believe me, baby. I have lots of fun.